Hi, Blossom. They are all Celeste is online, so we're waiting for them. They're trying to connect. Hi, Celeste. Good morning, Celeste. Hi, come. Hey, you're all online. Uh, you're the fearless one. Yeah, here. Okay, wait. Samuel just came. Sarah will be late. All right, let me just set up everything first. Okay, why is it not showing? Why? So for today, we are continuing our revision. Unless you have any papers from your school that you want to show me. If not, I will just show you what I have here. Right. Samuel, well, once you come in, it's game time. Huh? Game time. Okay, maybe skip the graph, went through this. I think I skipped this as well. Okay, that's the end of the class. Hi, welcome everybody. Alright, it's actually time for a new one. So I'm gonna download a new one, okay? Yeah, give me a minute. Junyuan. Region, Junyuan. Okay, let's try one difficult one, okay? How about the Nanyang girls? Or you want the Fairfield Methodist? Or Holy Innocent? Okay, this one is the worst. That means the most difficult. Nanyang girls most difficult. Fairfield Methodist. Okay. Holy Innocent, okay. Swiss Cottage also difficult. Which one you want? Let's try Nanyang girls, okay? No, you have a look, right? Maybe you have friends over there. You know, you want to see what kind of stuff they've been doing. Right? What kind of exam paper they're doing? The Nanyang girls. Nanyang girls. Segment math. Game time. That's why I was telling him, you come here means play game. Yeah, Mr. Samuel is we are his liberation. Liberation. You know what's liberation? We are his escapism. Huh? No paper lah. Give foolscap. Let's take foolscap. Oh. Okay, wait. Here it is. Huh? Take the foolscap. Take the foolscap. Take the what?
Look at the screen.
You look at the screen. Yeah, look at the screen. Take the foolscap. You need the foolscap. Can you pass one paper to him? If not, he has an excuse to not do anything. Yeah, please take the. That's called a slap on your table. So please do. Take out your pen. Come on, right? I feel like I'm a BNP sergeant.
Really?
Yeah, BNP sergeant. BNP sergeant that one. Hurry up. Alright, take out your thing. Okay, keep your phone.
JP.
BMP Army. BMP.
Oh, sergeant.
Yeah, sergeant.
Oh, what will your sergeant name be?
No, I was a sergeant.
Just sergeant.
Huh?
Sergeant.
Thing.
Sergeant thing.
Sergeant thing. What the?
Oh, sergeant thing.
My brother is a sergeant.
What's his brother's
He was
name?
commando.
What's his name?
He's called Ting. Sergeant Ting.
What's his full name?
Ting.
Ting.
Yeah.
Chen Ting.
No. So changing it to a product with prime factors 48. First part A. So 48 is, let me see, 48. Right. 2. Okay, 48 is 2 to the power of 4 times 3. Okay, that's part A. So part B. What is the smallest natural number n for which 48n is a multiple of 315? Okay, so this has to be a multiple of 315. So you want to find what is 315. First, break it down into the index notation. Okay, so 315 divided by 3 divided by 5 3. 3 square 57. This is 3 square. 3 square. 3 square times 5 times 7. Okay, so this is 315. Okay, let me double check. 3 times 3 times 5 times 7. Yeah, right. So then you have to compare between these two. Okay, when you compare these two, what is missing? Because this has to be a multiple of this. This one has to be a multiple. That means whatever is missing here, you need to have components of that inside here. For example, what do I mean by that? So for example, there's a 3 here, but this is a 3 square. So you need one more 3. You understand? 3 square, you need one more 3. So this one don't have a 5, this one also don't have a 7. So n is equals to what is missing? You need a 3, you need a 5, you need a 7. Got that? You got that? You need one more 3, you need a 5, you need a 7, so that it becomes a multiple of this. Hence, you multiply them together, 3 times 5 times 7 is 105. Hence, n equals to 105. Okay, next one. C. Find the smallest value of m such that 48m is a perfect cube. So 48m, now perfect cube means, for example, like 3 cube, 2 cube, right? All these are perfect cube. So if you see this 48 is already 2 to the power of 4 times 3, right? Now for it to be a perfect cube, that means the power, this power has to be multiple of 3. This is 4, this is 1. So they have to be multiples of 3. So for it to be multiple of 3, you need to add 2 more 2 and 2 more 3. Okay, so m equals to 2 more. Why is it 2 more? Because you want this to be 6 and then you want this to be 3. So m equals to 2 square times 3 square, which is 4 times 9. So m equals to 36. Seven, do you get this correct? Oh, no wonder he's playing game. Oh, we just recorded that on screen. Oh, Samuel. Oh, no. We just said your name. Using result in C, evaluate cube root of 48m. So, so D. So we know cube root, okay, we know what's 48m. 48m is this one combined with this one. Right, so 48m 10. For the AM is equal to this and this combined, so it becomes 2 to the power 6 times 3 to the power 3. Hence, if you cube root 48m, you are dividing it into 3 groups. So cube root 48m is equals to 2 square times 3. Final answer. Okay, is it okay, Sarah? Can already? Know how to do it?
Yeah.
Oh, you took photo that must put inside the brain. No, not just take a picture.
Wait. Go. Hey, go wrong website.
Website. Samuel, did you get all correct? Oh, you got all correct. Very good. How about Celeste and Blossom? Don't know.
This the iPhone.
Why don't wait, wait. Quick, take a picture and do the next one. Undo the previous one. Hurry up. Okay, previous one, let's go. So I skip this. This is a pattern question. Okay, so how do we evaluate this? Now, when we evaluate this, I don't think they allow you to key everything in the calculator. So anyway, what you do is you do the inner bracket first, right? So 2 minus 3, then bracket 5 minus 8 become 5 plus 8. Then close bracket times 7. This is the 8. Minus 10. Okay? So just write everything out. And then after that, we evaluate the inner bracket again. 2 minus 3 times 13 times 7 minus 10. So the minus 3 times 13 times 7, you can use your calculator. 3 times negative 273. So 2. Yesterday it's so hot. Now you see the problem. Minus 273 minus 10. Okay, so negative 281. So the answer is negative 281. Do you get negative 281? Yeah, okay, good. Okay, those online, I hope you got it as well. B. Alright, so B, same thing, do bracket first. This one and this divide. Okay, so minus 5 over 2 plus. So negative 1/4 square is positive 1 over 16. So it becomes 2 out of 16 plus 2/3 times negative 9 over 14. Okay, so I have simplified this. So actually this part you can use a calculator, but never mind, let's work it out. 2 plus 1 over 8 plus also becomes minus, plus times minus become minus. Cancel, this is 3, 1, this is 7, right? Negative 3 out of 7. So we're gonna use our calculator to evaluate the whole thing. Negative 5 over 2 plus 1 out of 8 minus 3 out of 7. Negative, okay, very weird number. Do you get a weird number? What is your weird number? Negative 15756. Next. Right, so okay, next one. So let's read 3/5 of a book. Okay, let's check all your answers. Can you tell me what's the answer for 2? How about Celeste, Blossom? Everyone give me 480. How about you, Sarah? And Celeste, Blossom. Online girls, what's your answer for 2? No answer. Okay. Okay, so let's see. So Alex reached 3 pages of book on Monday and 1 of the remaining on Tuesday. He has 46 pages left. So 64 pages is 2/3 of the remainder. So we take 64 divided by 2 times 3. We want to find the remainder. That is 96. Okay, so 96 is the remainder. 96 happens to be 2/5. So we take 96 divided by 2 times 5. 96 divided by 2 times 5. 2, what do you say again? Samuel?
480. I think I did perfectly.
What?
I got 480.
Why? 240. 240 lah. Because this is the remainder, 64 divided by 2. Then you times 3, you found the remainder.
Oh.
Yeah, then after that, the remainder is 2/5. So divide by 2 times 5. Okay? Hey, pay attention, you. Pay attention to game.
Are you gonna get into FND?
I don't know. It's very expensive. Alright, next. Arrange the following in ascending order. That means from smallest to biggest. I will convert everything to decimal. So this is 0.212121. This 1/5 is 0.2. This is 0.21. This is negative 0.21. This is negative 0.211111. So which one is the smallest? Let me see. Negative 0.21 with a dot. Correct. So select first one wrong. Okay, smallest is negative 0.21 with a dot, followed by negative 0.21. So these two settled. Okay, so we left with 3. Next one is 1/5 and followed by 212. Okay, 21 over 100. 21 over 100 followed by 0.21 dot dot. All right, so that's the first 4 questions. Any question for the first 4 questions? Okay, let's start with A first. So for A, we do rainbow. So 2x times 2x will become 4x squared. 2x times 3y, 6xy. Then 3y times 2x, 6xy. And finally, 3y times 3y is 9y squared. So if we were to simplify this, it becomes 4x squared plus 12xy plus 9y squared. So that's the answer for A. Then for B, this answer for A.
Yeah.
Just rainbow, okay? Yeah, so for B, we do the inner bracket first, which is this negative 2, got the rainbow in. Minus 2 times inside here, this must rainbow inside. So 2R, 1 take away 3S, minus 2R plus 2S, minus 2, minus R. Very long bracket. But doesn't matter, just follow the rules. So 2R, okay, we look at the number. 1 minus 2, so it's minus 1. Then for S, negative 3S. Minus 3S plus 2S, so it's minus S. And then negative 2R minus R, so it's negative 3R. Okay, so we're done with the bracket. Okay, last is the 2R rainbow in, so we get negative 2R minus 2SR minus 6R squared. All right, that's it. So B, do you get it? Oh, very good. It's Samuel says too easy. Sarah, do you get it? Oh, really? Yeah. That's good. What about Celeste Blossom? Do you get this one? Okay, very good. All right, so now the last one. The last one is it's not difficult. It's just very tedious because you got a rainbow, then rainbow in again. Okay. So what I'll do is I will take the 3 multiply in first. So I'll get 6x take away 3y times x plus y. This part C needs a lot of patience. Patience is key. Yeah, it's a lot of things. So this x plus 2y times, okay, minus very big bracket. Just open a very big bracket. So x times x becomes x squared. And then x times 2y negative 2xy plus 2xy. And minus 4y squared. Okay, equals to, so here also rainbow in. So we get 6x squared minus 3xy minus 3y squared minus, right? So because here the minus will rainbow into everyone and this 2 is gone, the minus 2xy plus 2xy. So left with minus x squared plus 4y squared. Okay? So patiently, slowly, next step 6x squared minus x squared become 5x squared. Then minus 3xy. Just leave it there. Last minus 3y squared plus 4y squared is plus y squared. Done. Samuel, if you get this correct, I'll pick it.
I go for it, but the y square like 2y.
So it's wrong. What do you mean you get correct, but then I wrote something else? That's called wrong. So you can't pick it already. You see? Stop. Stop your gaming. If you get this correct, you can sleep. No, where is it showing? Wrong. Sarah. The what?
I want to read, I want to see.
You don't like to read. Okay, so for 10A, we gotta change all to common multiple of 12. 12, okay? So common multiple 12, here times 12, so it's 36 over 12 minus, here must times 4, so it's 8x minus 2 over 12. Then here must times 3, 3x over 12. So once you have converted everything to base 12, you can now convert the top. So you convert the top, you will get 36 minus, okay, 8 times x, so it's negative 8x. And negative 8 times negative 2 plus 16 plus 3x over 12. And this becomes, right, so 36 plus 16 is 52 minus 5x over 12. Okay? You correct? Do you get this? 52, yeah. Really?
No, I don't want to get it. So.
This
So
one,
I
eh?
don't do it.
Okay, this one cross multiply. So you take his times here, this one times here. It's actually pretty straightforward. 3 times or 1 plus 2x becomes 3 plus 6x equals to minus, okay, here there's a minus, so minus 2x plus 8. And then we shift all the numbers to the right and alphabet to the left. So 6x plus 2x become 8x equals to 8 take away 3, so it's 5. Hence x equals to 5 divided by 8, so it's 5 by 8. Okay, B is so straightforward. And the last one, C. Let's look at C. Then we'll jump to one of Sarah's question. So a company has X male and Y female. The average yearly income of one is 30,000. If the average yearly income of one female, okay, so there's a difference. The average yearly income of one male. So what I want to do is to find the total. So what's the total? X plus Y times 30,000. This is the total yearly salary for male and female. You gotta minus the total for female, which is X minus 5,000 times Y. Okay, once again, this is total for male and female minus the total for female divided by the number of male, which is X. So we evaluate this. So 30,000 X plus 30,000 Y, it's just big numbers, but the working is actually not too bad. Oh, sorry. Okay, then over here, the Y rainbow is so minus X Y plus 5,000 Y. Okay, whole thing divided by X. And we get okay, we got to evaluate the Y. So 30,000 plus 5,000, so 30,000 X plus 35,000 Y minus XY over X, right? So the whole thing, this whole thing is the average yearly income of one male employee. Okay, that's it. Okay, now I'm gonna just jump to Sarah's question. Okay, which one is it you want to do? Again, Sarah?
First one.
First one is